Forgot to take a video of the trailhead, but you basically just here in Mammoth Lakes doing the Duck Lake Trail. So you basically drive past like Lake Mary and Twin Lakes. I'm already out of breath. It's like all the way uphill in the beginning, but it's good so far. I'd rather go downhill on the way back. But yes, and drive past a few campgrounds, and then you're there at the Duck Pass trailhead. So yeah, I forgot to take a video, but I think that's like Lake Mary or maybe Twin Lakes there. Just getting a quick video of that. Here's the first lake on the Duck Pass Trail here. This is Arrowhead Lake. Pretty cool here. About a mile into the trail. Here's the second lake, Skeleton Lake. Really cool. Like this a lot better than the first one. It's about 1.8 miles in now. Here we go, Barney Lake. This is about 3 miles in. It's pretty cool here. This is the third lake here. What a view. So here's a Duck Lake. Running a little short on time, so probably heading back now, but very cool lake here. Best one.